Hi guys, I'm JR.
And I'm Dave.
And we are
Always together.
So today we're going to unbox this
What's inside this box?
Box galing sa LAZADA. This is my one and only purchase during the 11/11 sale sa LAZADA.
LAZADA.
Hindi pa niya alam ko. Ano ba yung pag-aking pagbukas-bukas? Okay. So yung product na to is a camera stabilizer. So if you guys don't know, camera stabilizers are used by videographers. If you're watching videos online na super stable.
I think it's okay now.
Okay na, okay.
Bubble wrap.
Yung patanggal ng stress. Okay. Butter. Siyempre.
Open it.
Ikaw sa kamila.
Kit mo lang ako eh.
So yung stabilizer, ito, manual stabilizer, it's not a gimbal. Yung gimbal kasi is motorized. So,
this one
requires battery.
is the cheap,
I think it's easy to use.
It's the cheap version.
Cheap version to. So, ililink ko below yung link sa LAZADA.
So here it is.
It's called an S40 Steadicam. I'm not sure what's the general term. It's called glide cam, Steadicam. Ito lang. Wait, super easy oh. Ano yung laman niya?
How heavy is it? Oops.
Heavy. It's heavy.
Kinda heavy.
So, laman ng box, naka-plastic lang, foam for protection.
I think it's made of metal.
Foam lang. Wait,
That's
ano
why.
pa? May laman yung isang foam. I think this is the quick release plate. Yan. So,
Let's check it out.
let's check.
I don't know how to use this.
So we will also make a separate video testing this product. Yung S40 Stabilizer, Steadicam. Not sure what it's called talaga.
So, this is how it looks like. So, there's this level whatever. And then, this is the handle.
So this is the handle. It's made of mostly metal. So metal plate here, metal weight.
Yeah, that's why
here,
it's kind of
down here.
heavy.
And
Maybe
then-
the reason why it's cheap is there's no brand. We just bought this
Just
because
official.
of its functionality. Yeah.
How to use stabilizer. I don't know how to lock this part. You just twist this knob right here to lock it
How do
into
you
place.
adjust the weight?
You adjust the weight. I think you just.
Oh my god.
I think you need to make sure that the weight on top of this stabilizer, which is the camera, is well balanced by adjusting the weights here or adjust the length of the bottom part to make sure that the stabilizer is balanced. So if you guys don't know, a stabilizer makes stable footage. So you might know we make travel videos, our La Union, our Baguio travel
Almost 2
video.
years ago.
2 years ago. All of the videos that we uploaded so far are shot entirely handheld. We sometimes use like GorillaPod, but that's it. Now that we're planning on producing more content here on YouTube,
Yeah.
I think this is a good buy or a necessary
Buy.
investment. Kind of.
Well, we don't have the funds yet for that gimbal or more expensive stabilizer.
Before gimbals are a thing, people shoot weddings use a stabilizer like this. It's a cheap one. I think it's a good buy. It's only 1,234 pesos.
During the
1234.
11/11 sale, what
but
was
I'm
its
not sure.
original price?
Well, not exactly this product. It's around 2,000 pesos. So, well, not bad if it works. We'll make another video as soon as we are able to test it out. So,
There's no
there's no instruction manual.
what-
So, I don't know how
what's
to use
this?
this. It's a quick release plate, I think. We don't have an instruction manual, so I think we have to find out how to use this by ourselves or maybe watch some YouTube videos. Let's try to guess how much this weighs.
Yeah.
I'm thinking around 2.5. Ako, 2.5.
Okay.
2.5 kilos.
Let us
How about you? Without this plate,
not so heavy, I think. It's just around 1.5 or 2 kilos.
So 2 kilos,
Yeah,
2.5
two.
kilograms.
Two.
If you guys like this video, like, comment, share, and
Subscribe.
we're trying to become more consistent in posting videos. So expect at least one video per week.
Yeah.
So comment down below if you have tried this product from Lazada.
Yeah.
Again, like.
Comment and subscribe. Always together.
Hindi ka mo ganun. Ano mo ganun transition?